Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Sponsored by Mirinda Strawberry. And today, put this right here. Today we have an unboxing and an overview of a power supply. This is from Overtech, and here's the model number. It's Enhance 450 watt. It's a platinum rated Flex ATX modular power supply. The Flex is a lot smaller than the standard power supplies. The standard ones, which is this one right here. I'm using it for my current PC. This is my mini ATX build. As you can see, the power supply is almost the same size as the case. And I'm using this one because I was waiting on this one. This was for the ATX build, but this took like a week. It was due to the bank holiday Monday, so yeah. Anyways, the Flex is a lot smaller than the ATX. I'll do a size comparison later on, but let's unbox this. There you go. As you can see, it's really small. This is, there we go. Let's put the power supply here. As you can see by the size. Oh, hang on a minute. You know what? I'll do that later. I'll compare it later. Let me just see what's in the box. It's modular. That means all the wires are here, and it's got like a little zip tie. Just remove this, put it to the side. So it comes with 24 pin. Molex. I think it's 1 second, a bit tangled up. Okay, the Molex is here. Sorry, oops. Molex is right here. The SATA. Got two. I think this is the PCI. This for the graphics card. Okay, 8 pin. Yep. That's it. The CPU. I think. Did they include the CPU? No, they did not include the CPU. What the hell? Okay. You see inside. There we go. Enhance. Platinum rated. It's really small. Modular cables. There we go. And compare it to the as you can see. It's really small. But anyways, I'll be fitting this into the mini ATX build here, and I'll update you guys on how it goes. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and catch you on the next one. Peace.